How to fix HeyGen Rendering Failed. If you're trying to render a video on HeyGen, right? So when you open HeyGen and maybe you go to the video section from the bottom, and here you have a certain video that maybe you have exported or maybe any of the other settings, but it is failing to render. The first thing that I would recommend you do is just simply cancel the stuck video. So on your rendering tab, you can just click on the three dots option and you can select delete or maybe cancel if it is on the rendering process, and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you, then after that what you can try to do is recreate that same video with the same prompts and see if that helps you. Also check your concurrency limit, because if you're on the free plan you might have reached the maximum limit of generating videos, so that could also be the potential reason why you must be facing this issue. And also make sure to check your internet connection as well. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.